Hello friends, I'm back again with another haul. This time it's a Dollar Tree haul. Out and about. I wanted to get everything in because once I get back in, I usually try not to go out and stuff for every 2 weeks. And I only go out 1 day a week, so I don't want to go out a whole bunch. So when I'm out, I just kind of circle around and get everything done. So I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. So I got another one of these phone stands for a friend because she said, hey, Jay, pick me up one when you get one. And I gotta go, when you go back to the Dollar Tree, pick me up one. So I picked up another one of those. And what I found in Dollar Tree, which I thought was interesting, I don't like the pattern, but I like the flowers, but I don't really like it. So you can always get these and recover it. Look, it's a mini traveler's notebook. Nice inside though. And it comes with 2 notebooks in it. Isn't that cute for $1? For $1, you can go and get these and give them to friends and, you know, really change it around. Do what you need to do. Or give it to them just like this. You don't have to do a lot to it. But as crafters, you know we're going to do something different. So I picked up 2 of those. Picked up some paper plates because need those for Christmas. Eat because I don't want to wash any dishes. I picked up a nice bag to put presents in, stuff for my daughter, but I might not put any presents in them at all because I like these snowmen, and you might see them on my next planner spread. I think that's what it's going to be. Next planner spread is snowman because I think I'm cutting that bag up. I bought this frame, 6x4 frame, but I'm not going to use it as a frame. There's certain stuff here on my desk that I got to remember, and there's like passwords and stuff like that. So I'm going to think about that. You can, you know, there's all kinds of ways to use things. I'm going to slide my passwords and everything that I need to know when I get on my computer and stuff, and I'm going to put it in there so I can keep it sitting on my desk, and I'll always have those things, and I don't have to go, what notebook did I put that in? They had these coffee pens, so I got those. I love a good pen, and I'm sure these are going to be good. So I got these fashion pens with coffee. I picked up some vitamin C supplement drops because I'm still kind of congested and everything like that and having a little bad time there and with my breathing. So I picked up those. I needed some more of these tea light candles while I was in there. They had these interesting little tea lights. Look at those. Aren't they cute? I haven't seen these in there before. Oop. I haven't seen these in there before. And I like a tea light. Like sometimes when I'm just sitting around in the winter and I'm watching TV and I got my little fireplace thing burning. I like little candles around. So not fire candles because I got dogs and who knows, I'll go to the bathroom, come back, the house get burned down, you know, because they're always looking at something and they smell a flicker and stuff like that, and who knows, they go up there, their nose gets hot, next thing you know, boom, a paw, knock that down, the whole house is burned down, and I'm in the bathroom. It's always been a fear. But anyway, so I got those. I'm sorry, I do go off on the strangest tangents, don't I? So I picked those up for a gift. I picked up these mini nail polish, and I picked up 2 of them because I got one for myself because I like that green, and I'm not going to any nail studio right now, even though, you know, my nails need to be done, but I'm not going to any nail studio right now. Picked up some batteries, need some more. And I don't think there was a lot of crafty stuff there for me, but look what I found, friends. Since we're not going to get our feet done, you know, in the winter and not with COVID, I got these foot masks. So I can't wait to put these on my feet. And if they turn out to be good and make my feet nice and soft and everything, because you put it on, it's like a little sock. You put it on for 15 to 30 minutes, you know, while you're sitting there watch TV. Then take it off and wash your feet. Your feet should be soft. Oh my God, this should be good. The white bar, it says, remove sock from the foot, toss in the trash, do not flush it down. No. Wipe away any remaining residue with a damp cloth. Skin on your feet will feel moist, rejuvenated after use. Recommended to be used between 3 and 5 times a week. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to put these on my feet, but it's only got one pair, so I don't know how they think I'm going to be using it between 3 and 5 times a week if I only have one pair. But I'm testing it out, friends. And if it turns out to be good for my feet, I'm going to come back and tell you on my next video, because you can see me go, I purchased some more of those things for my feet. Of course, when you go to the Dollar Tree, I like the Dermacel Unscented Hand Sanitizer, so I always pick up 2 of those. What else did I pick up? Oh, I'm still making those composition book things for my friends, and I have 2 more to make, so I picked up 2 more composition books. And I think that's all. Oh, wait, I picked up 1 more. I bought that other, I showed you the little one, and that's another one. Like, you don't really have to cover that. That one's cute. So, that's all I had in my bag. Oh, and another polish. I don't know why I picked this up, because it's like the no color color. But I might like a no color color. I think that's all yep, that's all I got. So, friends, thank you for oh, wait. That's all right. I picked up the cotton rounds. So it wasn't a lot of crafty in the haul, but a lot of good stuff we could use. A lot of good stuff. So, thank you for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up so that YouTube know people are at least interested in what I'm doing, and it helps my small channel. If you come by and just to see what I'm doing on my hauls, just go ahead and subscribe. Just press that button and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you all in the next video. This is Jay, and I'm going to get me something to eat and a cup of coffee and put my feet up and rest. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye, friends. Oh, don't forget, be safe and be the reason somebody smiles.